If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can sort information in QuickBooks lists manually or automatically. To manually sort items within a list, click and drag the small diamond at the left side of any list entry and drop it into a new location within the list. However, it is important to note that you cannot manually arrange list items when automatic list sorting is applied. Also, be careful when manually arranging list items, as you may accidentally place sub-entries in a list like sub-accounts in the chart of accounts or jobs within the customers and jobs list underneath an incorrect main account. The only way to fix this is to manually place it back from where it came. You cannot automatically resort the list to fix this type of mistake. Also, when manually arranging list items in the chart of accounts, you can only arrange accounts adjacent to accounts of the same account type. For example, you cannot place an income account into the expense accounts within this list. You can also automatically sort list items in ascending or descending order by the values shown in any column within the list. To do this, click the column heading at the top of the column by whose values you want to sort the list. You will see a small arrow appear next to the column heading pointing up or down. An up arrow indicates an ascending sort order, and the down arrow indicates a descending sort order. Clicking the name of the column shown in the column heading again will toggle the arrow between the up and down positions. When you automatically sort a list, a large diamond appears at the far left side of the row of column headings. This indicates the list is being automatically sorted. You won't be able to perform some actions like manually arranging list items while automatic sorting is being applied. To remove automatic sorting and return the list to its default sorting order, click the large diamond to remove the automatic sorting. To resort a list and return it to its original sorting order, click the button that contains the name of the list in the lower left corner of the list window, and then select the Resort List command from the pop-up menu that appears. For the lists that appear within the centers, however, you must resort the lists using a different method. In these lists, select an entry within the list, and then select View, Resort List from the menu bar to return the list to its original sort order. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.